Hey guys, Dr. Ben here. So I'm super excited about our Summer Shape Workshop this Tuesday night at 6 o'clock live in the office, where we're going to talk about how to exercise in as little time and with as little equipment as possible. So literally 4 minutes a day, 4 days a week. So that's 16 minutes a week of exercise. You can do it in as little as that, and how to do it at home with very little to no equipment. We're going to show you how to do that in the office live this Tuesday night at 6 o'clock. So we're going to talk about a thing called metabolic conditioning, which is a way to condition the metabolism so that you become an effective fat burner instead of a traditional sugar burner. And we're going to talk about all the implications and the science and how to implement that on a daily basis. We're going to talk about the three biggest lies when it comes to traditional exercise and fitness. And really, it's more about the effort that you put forth versus the time and the calories burned and some of the other myths that revolve around exercise. So we're also going to be doing a special for everyone that's in attendance. You get 20% off all the products we carry in the office. So the protein powders and the vitamin supplements, all the supplies we carry are 20% off if you're live in person. And we're also going to do a raffle. So several very fun, practical items that most people need and most people already use. We're going to raffle those off for people that attend live in the office. So hope you guys can make it. It's Tuesday at 6 o'clock, and bring a friend, tell someone, bring someone with you, because we know that health is our most valuable asset, and if we have more of it, and then we get to enjoy more of our life, and we want other people in our lives to get that same benefit too. So it's free, Tuesday night, 6 o'clock. Hope to see you guys there for our Summer Shape Workshop in the office.